this is me, and we are playing Destroy Grandma! So, I know it is a bad thing of destroying Grandma, I know. Pero, this game has, kuwari, yung granny, may tasks. Yes, may tasks, syempre. Tapos, kailangan mong ma-destroy yung granny bago niya matapos yung mga tasks. So, that's probably very easy for some reason. So, yeah, bago tayo mag-start, huwag yung kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Click nyo na rin yung notification bell para update kayo pag meron akong bagong video. So, start na tayo. Let's go! Ah! Let's see if... Oh, 189 health. Very good. Okay, let's see. Okay, next one. Okay. Ay, agawan pala ito ng kiss. Okay. Oh, wala na bang ina-draw dito? Uy, bisan mo nakuha yung bato. Pero sige. Ay! Diyan pala nakuha yung mga bato. Okay. Ang talino ng matandang yan, eh. Jacob Samuel. Buong pangalan. Okay. Hit. What? Wait, what? Hit nyo nga. Iba to. Yawa, hit nyo nga. Kasi pa, hindi naman hit. Lo. Uy, rock.
Huwag nyo kami agawin yung mga ibabatong ko!
Oh my shish. Yawa ka man, lula ka. Okay, let's go. Another one. Yawa. Let's go. Another one. Taker. No, my grandma's house. Sige, restaurant na lang. Maraming items to, eh. Huwag sana ako, please. Yes! Let's go! Okay. So, yeah, let's go. Let's see. I found another key. Okay. Spaghetti. Grandma! Here's your spaghetti, idiot. Aray naman! Yawa ka man, lula ka! Ah! Hoy! Torture to! Just wanna get the key, no? You know. Tumakas yung apo mo. Ah! Walang kapansin-pansin. Yo, let's go. Ooh, a plate. Okay. Okay, let's go. Dito ko nalalaman na I wasted 2 of my keys. Oh, rock. Oh wow, they're torturing. Idiot. Let's go. Ah! Grabe naman siya. Yan na yung hinahanap ko, eh! Yung may 3 key. Hindi ko alam kung anong item na nandun, eh. Mananapak talaga ako ng lola dito ngayon, guys.
Control your temper!
Care for the things that may last long by using Dell.
What?
Technically, like, what the frick, bro? Oh, no! Magkukulit, hindi kang lola ka. Sige, sapakin mo ako. Sapakin rin kita. Bili. 15. Is there any here? No, nothing except for the bottle. But it's probably a double knife! Let's go! Let's finish off Grandma, guys. Finish up! Oh! Na-hit. Headshot. Ay, tinamaan sa puwet! Sure, Louis Vuitton. Ano bang ibang mga items din, no? What the hell? We can't get up. Also, there's a very nice tunnel. The bunker is advising something is looking. Watch out, something is scary. Won't be safe. Something scary? What do you mean? Nothing scary here. Oh, wow. Gotta go back. Ah, yes, very good. I sure am a Louis Vuitton. Ano kaya nasa loob nito? Para tong community chest sa 9. Monopoly. Oh, ano? Ay! Sige lang. Kuha lang kami ng items hanggang sa yung health mo. Ano ka, boss? Oh, what is it? Can oh yeah, apply. Oh yeah, apply. Yeah! Ito lang. Okay. Pasok. And I made you look. I go where my Louis.
Mali ko eh.
Grabe naman. Ay. Noob. Last game. Ako pa talaga. What the hell? I need to do tasks. So maybe. Oh, tasks. Yeah, somewhat I need to do tasks. I don't know why I need to do tasks. Water the plants. Oh, where should I get the water? I forgot I can launch humans. I mean kids, sorry. Sure. I need to water the plants. Okay. I need to water the plants. How will I water the plants? Oi! I need to water the plants. How will I water the plants? I have no water. No, I need to follow the question mark thing. Okay. Bozo? Mga gunggong! Oh, that plant! Okay, okay. Very good, very nice. Aray! Yaw. Hindi pills. Hoy! Where's the other plant? Oh, there's the other plant. Remove the graffiti on the wall. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys, di ako makapagsalita because, yeah. They just, I'm focusing. Ay, grabe, nagpo-focus. Yawa ka, mga gonggong! Ako'y nag-aaral na maayos dito, ha? Ako nag-aaral na maayos din, eh. Mga gonggong. Ayan, I remove it. Let's go, let's go. California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes bikinis on top.
What?
I need one more task. Repair the box. Electronic boxes outside. To repair these. Okay. Oh, there's the other one. I'm about to win! I'm about to win! Yes! I win as a grandma, idiot! You ain't no beating me! Ito nga pala sa panonood. Sana naman ay nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Click niyo yung notification bell para updated kayo pag meron na bang video. So, bye na guys. See you!